Red Base, it's Miss D. I'm here again to read you another story. This time the title of my story is called Giant Hiccups. Giant Hiccups. And the author is Jackie Farley. And it's illustrated by Pamela Venus. On the cover I can see a very tall lady. And she's surrounded by little people. She's so tall. I wonder what the story is all about. Let's turn the pages and find out. There's a dinosaur on the floor. I wonder if the dinosaur is part of the story. Let's turn the page again. What can we see here? Let me see. Once at the top of a huge hill. You see the huge hill? That's a huge hill. Once on the top of a huge hill stood a small town where many people lived and worked. At the bottom of the hill, can you see the bottom of the hill? That's the bottom of the hill. At the bottom of the hill loomed an enormous dwelling where a giant lived. Let's turn the page over and see what's happening in the story. The giant was called Aisha. Can you see the giant? Her name is Aisha. She never bothered the town people, but spent her days quietly. She made cups and plates and pots and pans. She made rainbow lollipops and pineapple jams. Can you see? I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 pineapple jams and 4 rainbow lollipops. The rainbow has got lots and lots of different colours. Let's turn the page over and see what happens next. Suddenly, one day, the ground shook and a dreadful noise filled the air. It sounded like 100 dinosaurs falling out of bed. Do you remember seeing the dinosaur on the other page? Can you imagine hearing 100 dinosaurs falling out of bed? Let's turn over and see who made that noise. Hiccup! Hiccup! The small town on the hill trembled. It shuddered and shook. In the houses, everything rattled. One young man wobbled crazily along the road on his bicycle. Somebody was making ginormous hiccups. And it was making everybody rattle and shake. Let's turn the page over and see what happens next. The children are in school at the top of the hill in the little town. Hiccup! Hiccup! The children in school held on to their tables to stop them falling over. Books flew everywhere. Hiccup! It was some very loud hiccups. Can you do loud hiccups? Just like the giant. Hiccup! 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 The statue of the mayor fell off its pedestal. People hurried from everywhere and met in the square. What can it be, they called. What happened, they cried. Can you see the statue of the mayor's fallen? The mayor is a very important person. Can you see the cat as well, looking? Right then, let's turn the page over and see what happens next. It's an earthquake, said some. We have to get off the hill, said the parents taking charge. They all joined hands and began to walk down the hill. Hiccup, hiccup. They all slid head over heels right down to the bottom of the hill. Whee! Shouted the children. It's a slide. Can you remember going whee down the slide? It seems like so much fun. They're having so much fun. Look at their happy faces. They've all got smiles and they seem to be having fun going whee down the hill. I wonder what's going to happen next. Let's turn the page over. Suddenly, there was another ground shaking. Hiccup, hiccup. And the giant came out of her house. Hey, you there, the mail carrier cried. You're creating a terrible disturbance. Stop it at once. Our homes are on the hill, shouted one of the town people. You're hiccuping. It's destroying our town. There they are talking to the giant. See how tall she is. She's very tall. And look at the little people. Let's turn the page over and see what happens next. Hiccup, 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 said the giant apologetically. So sorry, hiccup, can't stop. Perhaps we should give her a drink of water, suggested one old lady. Glug, 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 glug. Aisha drank it all up. Can you see her drinking the water? And she's going glug, 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 glug as she drinks it. Glug, glug, glug. Aisha drank the water. Let's give her a fright, because the water didn't work. The baker whispered to the mail carrier. Let's give her a fright. The mail carrier whispered to the lady next to him. The children whispered to each other. They passed it on until everyone knew what to do. So everybody said, boo! They all shouted in their loudest voices. Let's turn the page over and see what happens next. Hiccup, hiccup. It didn't work. Hiccup, said the giant. Miss Wiggins, the school teacher, made a suggestion. Try holding your breath for as long as you can. She called up to the giant. Aisha held her breath. She held it, and she held it, and she held it for so long, she had to breathe out with a gigantic whoosh. I wish I'd brought my kite, laughed Twinkle. The children had all gathered round the giant, and she was still going, hiccup, 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 because it didn't work. No one knew what to do next. When some children from Miss Wiggins' class put up their hands, maybe she's hungry, said Cara Louise. I sometimes get hiccups when I'm hungry, agreed Ben. Hiccup, hiccup, said the giant. We might as well try your idea, said Miss Wiggins. Let's turn the page over. As the town people scrambled off in different directions, some collected wood from the forest to make a huge fire. Others went to the fields and collected vegetables. The fire brigade poured water into Aisha's pot. Aisha put in her favourite spices and tried very hard not to hiccup too loudly. Let's turn the page over and see what happens next. Now Aisha had made the soup, and she said, "Delicious," she said. "Thank you." Then everyone noticed something. The hiccup had stopped. Suddenly there was a tiny hiccup. "Oh, Ben, are you ready for lunch?" said Aisha. "Making giant vegetable stew is a hungry business. I'm sure there's enough to share." Let's turn the page over and see what happens. And there was. Can you see Aisha's stew with all the vegetables? I wonder what your mummy puts in your stew. Do you have carrots? I can see some mushrooms. What can you see in that stew pot? He's enjoying the stew, isn't he? Yes, Ben is enjoying the stew. And this is the end of the story, Red Base. I wonder what you're having for dinner. I wonder if you're going to have any hiccups. If you do have hiccups, you know what to do. Have some stew. And that's bye for now. Speak to you soon. We'll do another story soon. Bye, Red Base. Bye.